Hello guys, welcome again to Tech Express channel. The video we will give the solution in this video is how to download AMD Radeon software from the official site and how to do it. The first thing to do is check our system information by typing dxdiag in the run box. And there you will see the information of your system. Look at that processor. For me it is AMD Athlon 2200GE with Radeon Vega graphics. So that's what I'm looking for. Open any browser and search AMD drivers. Select AMD drivers and support and you will be taken to their official website. And here you have options. Select your system info that you saw earlier. For processors with graphics, this is what you should choose. Like mine, I chose the processor with graphics. Then select the model of your processor. Mine is AMD Athlon processors. And next select your graphics model, as mine is AMD Athlon desktop processor with Radeon Vega graphics. And then select the model you found in your system. For my system model is AMD Athlon 2200GE, and click Submit. These are the correct drivers for your AMD Radeon graphics. Just select the OS installed on your system. And download it, then install it on your PC or laptop. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.